Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. So we're going to be doing a very natural, neutral look, a very subtle look. So if you want to see how it's going to turn out, then keep on watching. But before you go, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to the channel. Okay, so first of all, we're going to be cleansing her face, and I'm going to be using the RDLA baby face papaya extract cleanser her face. Next, I'll tone her face. So to moisturize her face, I'm going to be using the Cetaphil moisturizer. So for primer, I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Prep High Definition Smoothing Face Primer to prime her face. So for her spots, I'm just going to be using this LA Girl Pro Concealer, the dark shade, to cancel out the spot. So after applying it, I'm just going to blend it. Push it into the skin without moving it too much. For her concealer, for her highlight, I'm going to be mixing these two shades of concealers together. The LA Girl Pro High Definition Concealer. I'm going to be mixing these two for her highlights. So for highlights, to set her face, I'm going to be using this Sasha Buttercup setting powder to set her under eyes. So I've already gone ahead to do her eyebrows off camera. So time for eyeshadow. For my eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the palette from Morphe, the 3502 palette. So I'm just going to set her under brows. So for transition color, I'm going to be using this shade from the Morphe 3502 palette. To give the eyes a little depth, I'm going to go in with this color here. I'm going to go in with this color here. Is a dark brown, just to give the eye some contour. I'm going to be using the Twinkles pigment. I'm going to be using the Twinkles pigment on the eyelid. So after doing that, I'm going to be using the Twinkles pigment over the same spot. So to smudge our underline, I'm going to be using the palette from the Tara brand. Then I'll go in with this purple shade. So use mascara to clean out all the fallout. Look up. 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 Sorry. Okay. To some terminal space. So I'm going to be blushing her face with this. I'm going to be using this Nuban highlighter to highlight her face. I'm going to be using the LA Gear Pro setting spray to set her face. So for her lips, I'm going to be using a very small lip palette, no name. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in our next video. But before you go, please don't forget to like, comment, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.